If you need an ultra compact small sewing machine to fix things around the house or to take with you, the Singer M1000 is pretty awesome. I just got this and I just unboxed it. I can't wait to use this thing. Overall, it fits in the palm of my hand and it's only 5.5 pounds or so. Super lightweight, especially if you can't lift things or have trouble lifting things, this is perfect. Especially if we're just doing simple fixes at men's. It has a quick speed dial to dial in the different patterns, tension control, and overall it's like a mini version of the other sewing machines that we have. So it's pretty neat. It fits in a tiny little package, so storage isn't an issue. There is a clear bobbin cover as well as the clear bobbins, so you could check the amount of thread you still have. The free arm is awesome too, because if you're going to hem a trouser, you just basically put it in that circular area and you hem it. There's other bobbins it comes with, but there's not other feet or anything. So this is a very, very basic sewing machine, and that's really why